The last C in the 3 C's of strategy is cascade. And this deals with architectural and cultural change within a company, as well as tactical and practical efforts that they can take on. First, we recommend that they enter into new markets and continue building sustainable growth, as this was one of their long-term goals that they wanted to accomplish. This is also another way that they maintain their competitive presence by growing their international presence. Emerging countries have an aging population and a rise in chronic disease, which drive up healthcare product intake. Their fast-growing rapid diagnostic testing portfolio allows for testing in remote communities. Abbott's medicine business is positioned for long-term growth as people in emerging countries are now gaining greater access to these medicines. Lastly, Cascade has to deal a lot with addressing cultural change within a company. And so Abbott has already created a company culture of innovation where they are driven to create and improve ways to help people live healthier lives. They foster this spirit of innovation by tapping into different perspectives, people, expertise, and ideas to shape new methods of care. Abbott Labs is also a top employer of women, entry-level employees, and minorities.